This is a room tour of room 606 at Staypineapple in Boston. This is a funky little hotel. This is a back bay king room. So when you enter, you can see they really do the pineapple, which is so fun. The yellow is all around. When you first come in, you can see that there is this cute little guy. His name is Dash, and you can make a $25 donation and you get to keep him, and that donation goes to an organization for that piece of it. The room's not huge, but it's laid out in a way that makes a lot of sense. So you've got the king size bed with the covers that you need, fun little pillow. Of course, you have the television, which is in every hotel room. Underneath the very small desk area, which is really just more of a tray to put, your phone, your wallet, that kind of thing. There is a luggage rack that you can use, and then there is also a garbage can. Then over here, we have a little welcome thing for me. I don't believe that this is going to be something that is in every hotel. This is where the radiator is behind there. But this is kind of the really fun thing, is that they have this yellow bottle right here. And this yellow bottle is filled with water. And then there is a water station downstairs at check-in where you can go ahead and refill that with either still or sparkling water anytime you want. So I actually really love that. This bottle then is yours to keep. It's a metal one, so you can kind of hear that a little bit, but that is for you to use. And then these, I have to say, are the cutest coffee cups that I have ever seen in a hotel room. There is unlimited coffee and tea that you can make with your Keurig. So you can see they've got both medium roast as well as a decaffeinated version, plenty of half and half, and then a Hawaiian Paradise English breakfast tea, and then the different sugars and stirs and so forth that you might need, as well as this is going to be for your ice. This right here is your shade. It's just got the little metal pull on the side so you can open it or close it. I, again, think it's fun. It's got decor on it. It's not just plain boring. I like that, but it lets you see out. The window itself does not open. But this is the view from my room, so you can see the back bay of Boston. That's why it's called a king back bay. I get to have the back bay view. But it's a nice area. And again, this was very walkable from the T. You can also just take a cab or an Uber car from the airport, and that works out really well. As you continue along in the room, there are nightstands on each side. With the nightstands, you are going to have a mirror over them so that you've got that area to get ready. And then underneath, right in here, you can see the plugs. That is 2 regular plugs as well as 2 USB plugs. So if you need anything, you've got that right there. And then also there is a box of Kleenex. You got a little bit of storage right here. And then underneath is just open because this is one of the floating nightstands. On the other side, you have the same thing with the mirror as well as the outlets, same kind of outlets. You've got, again, the 2 outlets plus the USB, 2 of those. There is a telephone, so if you need something, you've got your everything button as well as how to reach guests. And actually, oh, this is interesting. This is actually your temperature control. So I'm guessing the other piece of it was here previously, and since they've upgraded, now this is where you've got your temperature control. So you can easily make it warmer, cooler, turn it on or off, etc. And of course your television control, and you cannot have a hotel without a robe. Again, this is a nice, very soft robe. This is yours to use while you're here. Don't take it with you. If you take it with you, they will charge you for it. So just don't do it unless you really like it and are okay with being charged. This is basically appears to be your closet. So this is where you can hang your different items on. They move around. There are hangers over on this side, on the next one, and then there is a third one as well, and a 4th one down here, I bet. Oh, nope, not one behind the robe, but that is there for you. So if you need more hangers than that, I'm guessing they're gonna be very kind and bring them up to you because they seem to be rather nice. There is also this table that comes out. So if you need a little bit of extra space, maybe you want to sit on the bed and do some work, you can go ahead and do that and then put that back down when you're done. So one other thing is that there is a drawer on one side of the bed, and in this drawer, not only do you have storage, but this is also where the hairdryer is located. So this is not one of the tiny ones that folds, that doesn't do anything. It is an Andis 1875 watt hairdryer.
does say that it's tourmaline ionic, so it's actually a halfway decent hair dryer. But if you're a picky, bring your own hair dryer. Just be aware that that is here. They do have a hair dryer, but note also there is no safe in this room and there is no refrigerator in this room. So if that matters to you, that is there. And then also this is the little poof that is underneath the nightstand on the one side of the bed. And that is something that you can sit on actually when you have this desk pulled out. And then you also have the restroom, which is a nice full-length mirror here so that you can go ahead and, again, get ready. It's nice and easy. And then this is not the hugest bathroom, but again, it's functional. It's a city room. We're okay with that. When you turn the light on, you've got the sink as well as a mirror with lights overhead, and you have the liquid soap that is built right in here. And then there is one more outlet for you to use if you need to. The bath mat is right here. And then this opens right up for your shower. You do have the control, as well as if you want to hang your towels over here, because it's actually, for not the hugest bathroom, is a decent sized shower. So you can see it goes all the way in. Your shower head, it's not quite a rain shower, but it's kind of in that style a little bit. But you do also have shampoo, conditioner, and bath and body gel. I have not used them. They are Exotic Coral by Tommy Bahama. So if you're picky, bring your own. If you're not and that works for you, just know that those are all there. Some hotels and resorts only give you shampoo and body gel. This gives you all three. And also, just so you know, this does go both directions depending upon which way you want to go in. And then of course you do have the toilet, and then again, the pineapple theme is adorable. I do want to reiterate, the pineapple theme is the pineapple in terms of the meaning of welcome, not the pineapple that you might have to Google to decide if you want to stay in this hotel like I did. Pineapple, welcoming. So that is adorable. And then you've got your towels over here. And that really is the extent of the King Back Bay room at Staypineapple in Boston. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, subscribe and come stay here when you come visit Boston.